Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then choose Special Function. Over here you need to select App Twin and click on the switcher next to one of available apps, in this case Facebook. Now wait couple of seconds. And as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your cloned app, you need to hold it, select uninstall over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, tap on the switcher again and choose close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!